Okay, day 35, and I've had enough of this DIY stuff. Do it yourself ain't making it. Ed came in. I called him. He said, I'll do it.
How come I'm doing it if they're supposed to be?
Well,
Isn't
this,
it do it
no,
your-
well, the DIY,
do it
we're helping them
yourself?
do it. We're helping them do it at home. But here's what we got going on. This one's going to be done tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And tomorrow morning's not far away. I called Don, and he's going to come do a second shift with me.
Replace me?
But this door handle,
Yeah.
it's not a Ventique handle. We didn't have a door handle. Couldn't
Yeah.
get the door handle. I told Josh, get me a door handle.
We got a door handle.
So then it gets delayed, so it came Amazon today, and it is now installed. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah. It's working good.
I look at my paperwork, my work order.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's looking good. I like that. And this is a channel body. This is an A-rod. My paperwork says Model A. I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, crud. This thing, there's no way that's going to fly. You can't have a 3-inch channel floor on a Model A with, if it's a Model A, an A-rod goes on a 27 frame.
27, yeah.
So I went in and looked in the office. Okay, thank you, Lord. It's a 3-inch channel floor. But guess what?
No
It doesn't
window.
get windows. So we got to block the windows out. So luckily I had the parts made up in the glass shop, so I've glued it in already and I'm bondoing it now. So that kind of put a little kink in it.
It's looking good.
So here's the deal. We got a good team here now.
Yeah.
Honest answer. You and I could have probably built this faster had we took brand new parts and threw this thing away.
Well,
Is that a true or false statement?
I don't know. I don't comment on stuff like that.
Okay, we have undid to go forward, and when you got to back up to go forward,
There's a
it's not
few
good.
things.
There was a few things that needed to be fixed.
Yeah.
So they're all fixed,
Yes, I think so.
and I thank you. Thank you.
On that.
So DIY, it's about a team. We got a team going on. You know what? We're going to go knock it out of the park next August in Evansville at the Frog Follies.
Yeah.
You know who I was talking to a little earlier when I was on the phone and you were working?
No, who's that?
Uncle Larry. Mr. Larry White, a.k.a. Uncle Larry. You remember the Black Knights?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Well, that's the Black Knight.
Oh,
People ask about the Black Knight. They never ask about Uncle Larry. So I called him. He's planning on being there.
no kidding.
So we're getting kind of excited.
Yeah, it'd be cool to see that.
A lot of people, folks with the Midas Touch, Robin and his wife Bev, they want to be there, which should be no problem.
Yeah. Very cool.
Timmy's wanting to be there with his blown big block Ford. That'll be cool. So we're going to do the Spirit reunion there, and we're going to get it built.
Sounds good to me.
And you're gonna
I'd
put-
like to see the Black Knight color again.
So would I. That was a
Cool
cool
car.
car. A lot of fun. Larry was a lot of fun. And then you're gonna paint the put the clear on
On what?
in Evansville. I don't know, the frog car we're building. It's gonna be a T-bucket.
Yeah.
I talked to people at the tech school. Nice booth, awesome school, great teacher. He said, well, maybe my students can put the sealer on. They could maybe put the base coat on, but we need somebody who really knows what they're doing to put the clear on. So
Okay.
anyway,
Sounds like fun.
not a lot of showing what's going on today, but it was definitely a working DIY day.
Busy day.
A busy day,
Yeah.
a team effort day. So that was good. Appreciate it. You're fixing to go home.
Good.
You need to say hi to your kids.
Hey, girls.
No, in person. I called you up and you were making lemon squares with them.
Lemon square.
And I said, well, I got something more fun than that.
Supposed to be movie night and popcorn.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So,
Appreciate it though.
all right.
All right. Okay. Is it a new day yet? Is it a new day yet?
It's turning over real
So
soon.
this is no more DIY. This is teamwork. So you're taking over. It's about ready. Got the windows in. Couple pinholes fixing. You're fixing the primer. All right. So I'm ending yesterday's DIY day 36, I believe it was, today. We have door handles. We have doors that work. Everything is looking good. You didn't. Actually, I love that sound. Got our back. This is a sedan delivery without windows. There you go, no windows. handles in the back. These are locking handles, all of them. A little different. Like my camera work, I'm just getting you all dizzy. So there it is. So there it is. With a work order that isn't complete. So we're gonna have a talk about that today. But so this ends yesterday's video today. So I think I'm gonna start tomorrow's video here in a little bit. We'll see what the next project is tomorrow, today, or yesterday, I'm not sure. Okay, so I thought I was done, but this is how I'm ending my day from yesterday to begin my new day. So, but I got them all cut. These are the window tracks that go in there. And we just had a little, got to be careful what you're doing.